Hello guys, so I'm quite excited today. I'm going to be sharing something different from my usual with you. So I'm going to be doing a do-it-yourself video. So I bought this extension lash set from Amazon. The name is Lash Extension Kit, and it is Lash by Alice. If you go on Amazon and then type lash extension kit and then you scroll down, you're gonna see a couple of lashes, and then you come by this one. Is created or is manufactured by Alice. It's actually very good because it comes with all of the things, the kits that you're going to be using to do it yourself. Is actually very good. I've used it before. I've used it a couple of times, but now I want to share it with someone because I feel like it is something I'm excited to do. Hopefully it's going to help. I'm going to be needing a few things, which is just me myself, because I want to first of all show you the things that you want to do before you actually start putting up your lashes, just to see if it's gonna stick for a bit longer. So in this video, let us unbox this and see what is inside. So this is a lash set. As you can see, it comes in different volumes. Let me open it for us to see. So it comes with different volumes. So you have the number 1, and then there is the medium, and then you have here, this is the shortest. This one's right here is the shortest, and this one is actually really full. If you can look at it, you're going to be able to see. So this looks very full here, up here, and then this is the medium, and then that is the scanty one, and it's also, this part of it is really short, and that also helps you, it helps you as a first timer, if you're just like a beginner with the lashes. So you can just like stick the shortest one about here, and then you just go like that. The middle volume gets much fuller depending on how you want your lashes to look. If you want it to look like a cat eye, or like you just want it to look like really natural, you can just use the shortest and the less volume. So it all depends on how much you like your lashes to be. And also in the kit, you've got your tweezers. So the tweezers come really perfect and easy for a beginner. So you can see the curved edge, which is going to help you. It's just like, it helps you stick your lashes quite easily. So that is very good for beginners. And it also comes with this bond, and it comes with like a bond and a remover, the bond remover, which is very, very perfect for beginners like us. And then it's very easy and simple. Easy peasy lemon squeezy. So the next thing I'm going to just use, which is not inside the kit, I've got my brush, my lash brush, which just helps me like just make it neater. And I've also got like the cleansing foam for me to just cleanse my lashes, just so that I get all of the impurities or like the dirt off my lashes, just so that it helps my lashes stick longer. And I've got my brush, which is going to help me. So I just put that on my brush, and then I sweep my lashes and then wash it. And I've got my blow dryer, which I'm going to use now. You're going to see how I'm going to do it. Alright, so right after I have dried my lash, and I'm going to just use this lash brush and just make sure I get my lashes straight, and just to make sure that I've gotten rid of all of the impurities. And then this is the lash coiler. You can use it before and after, just to straighten, to make sure that your lashes is quite straight, and then before you stick your lashes on. So that is what that would do for me, and then we are set to go. My lashes is quite clean right now at the minute, and then we're just gonna start on sticking our lashes. So the first thing I'm going to do, baby, is I'm just gonna be able to separate my lashes, just so that I'm not leaving my glue on for a long time. So I'm just going to pick each individual cluster lash. So like I said, it's a cluster lash, and you can see how that look. So that is a cluster lash. So I just separate them and make sure that it's easy for me to pick it up. So that's like the real longer one, and then I go in for like the shortest one and just like pick them up. And you could see that you would want to use just maybe it's gonna be 6 clusters, so you just make sure that you separate them just to make it easy pick while you're getting on into your lashes. You can see here I have picked one of, or like 2 of each of the volumes. So this is like the longer ones. I just keep them together. This is the medium length, or the medium volume, and then this is the shorter one. So you just want to keep them together to make sure that you're putting them at the right spot. So for me, I always like my lashes to look really natural, so I always go in, I start from like from here and work my way down, or you could start from any part of your eye you want to start. So I just walk my way around the way I'm comfortable. First thing you want to do is that you're going to apply your lash bun, which comes like that. So it's just a bit of the bun, which is going to help to make your lash sit right on your lashes as natural as possible. And then I pick up my lash with the tweezer. You see how I'm holding my tweezer, and then I just find a way to stick it right under my lash, my natural lash. And then when you do that, you need to press it down, just so that you ensure that it's sitting right there. So that's what you do while going in with all of them, your lashes. And then when you put the bun, sometimes you could just wait for a few minutes and let it just start drying up a little bit before you apply your lash. So my fullest volume is just at the edge. That's where I love that one to be, because it just gives me, because my natural eye is cat-like, so you just want to keep that natural look. So that is why I put the fullest volume at the end. Yeah, sometimes it may be a bit messy. Just ensure that you clean your tweezer and just try to see how to make it stay, and then just press on it a little bit, and that's it. So I'm done with one side of my lashes. You can see it looks really good. And then what you want to do is that you just use your tweezer. You can just turn it the other way, use your tweezer to set it up and put a little bit of pressure, and you see, you get your lashes. And then you go on to the other side of your eye and repeat the same thing. I'll show you the result, but that is let it dry a tiny bit. So now I'm in the middle, and if your tweezers has cut the gum or the bun, you can just clean it anyways, and ensure that you pick your next lash and stick it on. Yeah, sometimes the angle may be a very bit difficult one. You just have to find a way to work around it. Yeah, so I am done with my lashes. You can see how that is sitting. It looks quite nice. It looks really natural. It's giving, and it is so easy to do. I literally use like 10 minutes to do this in all of my video, which is quite nice, and I actually love it. Hopefully it helps. Bye bye, see you next time.